welcome back UIA. Today we got a new kid. What's your name?
My name is Eli, and I am 14 years old. I go to Aviation Middle School. I'm going to shout out Clyde for letting us fly out here.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Nervous?
To the northeast.
A little bit.
A little bit? Alright, let's get you started. Here we go. Good. I'm going to give you some power.
Forgave traffic, white sky.
Alright, brake as hard as you can.
We're going to go miss.
There we go. Good. Your brakes are good. Alright, so taxi light on.
I see you guys on the crossing.
We're gonna be making a right turn here, okay? So we're gonna push full right, right? Full right at the with the bottom. There we go. We're gonna just make a 180 degree, fix my mic. 180 degree turn. And we're gonna go straight back this way, and we're gonna follow a taxi line to the right, okay?
Okay.
All right, so straighten up.
Forgave traffic, 16.
Oh, good.
Down 1.33, forgave.
And we're gonna turn right. We're gonna go right. We're clear left. So yeah, we can start going right. Go see this taxi line. We're gonna be following this one, okay?
Forgave traffic, final call 108, climbing to the south. In front of that traffic on that one.
There we go. Good job. All right. So what we're gonna do now? This little pad to the right, that's gonna be our run-up pad, okay? So we're gonna do our run-up over there, right? So I want you to brake. So straighten up, straight. Yep, and brake. We're gonna make a tight turn, okay? So straight. Then we're gonna make a U-turn, okay?
Okay. Cessna 38 here
is so now right.
2.5 miles to the north. Gonna turn in for
straight.
45 entry, left downwind, runway 33, Brookhaven.
Now right.
Brookhaven traffic, 16 my turn, please.
There we go. Now straight. And brake. Alright, so both legs. Alright, we're gonna look at our left wing, full left on the yoke.
Traffic, 16 Lima, turn
full right.
Final,
No, same wing, yep, full right. Now when it's moving. Yep. Good. Now we're gonna check this one. Full left. Full right. Good. Now we're gonna look back, straight back. Full up. Full down. And I got the rudder. Full right. Full left. Flight controls are free and correct. All right. Alright, and the oil pressure on the left side is in the green.
Green.
Good. Oil temperature. Green.
Green.
Good. So now we're going to pull our power all the way out. We're going to hold it all the way back. Make sure the engine doesn't shut off. No shut off. Alright, so back now throttle back to 1,000 RPMs. Ready?
Yep.
Alright. So we're gonna just make a right turn. I'm gonna give you some power. So deep right turn, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
We're giving traffic, 3 here, turning left.
Now you can have your left hand on the yoke, okay? Off the brakes. There we go. Full right, full right, full right. There we go. Now right hand on the throttle. So now you're controlling both, alright?
Giving traffic, 16 Lima, turning left downwind.
I pull the power back a little bit. Alright, now left. Left. Yep, center line. And we're going to stop in front of these lines, okay?
Okay.
Yep, and we're going to stop here. Good. So, there's no tower here. So, we have to decide when we're ready to go or not, okay? So, we're just going to listen out for the traffic. Think of it like as a stop sign, like with cars, right? We have to decide whether it's safe to go, okay? So, we have this plane right here. Landing. I don't see any more planes in final, but I'm going to give it a second, or I'm just going to call out, see if anybody is on the base or final for this runway. Brookhaven traffic, anybody in the final or base for 33 Brookhaven? Alright, we have no call. He's exiting the runway, so we're going to enter.
Okay. So, lights on?
Yep, lights on. Brookhaven traffic, Scott 6097 Golf, taking 33 Brookhaven for a north departure Brookhaven. Alright, ready?
Brookhaven traffic.
Yep, lights on. There we go, off the brakes.
Downwind runway 33, Brookhaven.
Alright, more right. Alright, and left. There we go. Once we get centered, we're gonna go full power, okay? There we go, start to advance. Yep, advance. All the way, all the way. There we go, good. What's the rotation speed? Remember?
55.
55, there we go. Good. When we reach 55, slowly pull up. There we go. Good.
Okay, radio check active.
There we go.
3-3.
Right on the blue.
Thank you.
Good. Good heading, good pitch. Ooh, take your time.
Brookhaven traffic, Cessna 9767 Foxtrot taking off runway 33, staying in the pattern.
A little bit lower, a little bit lower. Pushing this slightly. There we go.
Brookhaven traffic, steerman over the rifle range. On a left 45 for left downwind, 33 Brookhaven. Here's 918 Zulu over top the field, 2,500. We have the downwind traffic in sight. We'll come in behind you for left downwind 02.
Brookhaven traffic, 6097 Golf, departing the field to north, last call, Brookhaven. Brookhaven traffic, jump 1, gonna line up and wait on 33, Brookhaven. Brookhaven traffic, rocker on a left downwind for 33.
We're gonna level off here, so push down on the nose. And let's pull the power back slowly. Pull it back, pull it back, pull it back. Around 22, so we want it right in the middle.
Sky 68
There we go, I'm gonna trip you downwards. There we go, we're gonna maintain 5. Yeah, we're not climbing no more. Yeah, we're gonna keep it right in the middle. There we go, so my plane.
Your plane.
Alright. So I'm gonna introduce you to one maneuver. It's going to be called slow flight. What do you think slow flight is?
So, slow flight, flaps extended fully, and going as slow as possible without
Oh,
stalling.
you don't know what it is.
I did it one time before.
Oh, okay, my fault, my fault. Okay. So I guess we're just gonna get right into it. All right, we're gonna start this heading right now. Okay, let's go 120. We get you back to 25.
Inbound for runway 4.
All right, you're playing.
I play.
All right. Walk me through the steps. What's step 1?
Sorry?
So what's step 1?
So power back?
Yep, power back. So power idle. All right. Start doing another configure.
Then flaps full.
There we go, flaps full.
Okay, traffic justice guidance.
There we go. The airspeed starts decreasing. Let's start to add power slowly. Yep, start adding power. There we go. Don't want to hear the stall horn. That's the most important thing we don't want to hear, okay? There we go. Ooh, 120. Don't forget the heading. What heading to? There we go. There we go. I want you to we're going to make a left 180-degree turn, okay? So we're going to go to heading up 300.
00, left.
300, yep, so we're going to turn left. Right, remember at the first, and then there we go. Good. There we go, 25. There we go. Oops, see we're dropping a little bit. There we go.
Over traffic, 609 Foxtrot on the downwind for look 4. Crossing traffic is crossing 1 minute jumpers away, 5,000 feet.
There we go.
1 minute jumpers away.
So you don't know how to do this. You a pro. It's good. All right, so we're gonna recover. So recovery process. Power in, nose down. Yep, all the way in, nose down. Power all the way in. Yep. There we go. Nose down. Flaps 10.
Traffic, what's your active today?
There we go. Let the airplane speed up. There we go. All right, flaps up. There we go. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right, so we're gonna head back. Just get a quick refuel, and then we're gonna fly back to Farmer now. Okay.
54, just track the, correction, 97 Golf. 97 Golf, just track the outer shoreline now for that right base.
Descended to.
Roger, outer shoreline for the right base, 97 Golf.
Say again? Oh, 1,100. Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Tower 754 is on final.
All right. Turn right. Heading to 80.
Takeoff traffic on the up.
280.
Yep. Right turn 280.
Correction, left traffic.
Got him in sight, 3 Golf Alpha.
412, runway 1, cleared to land.
We're doing touching guys, 42.
And 97 Golf, just continue on the southwest heading. Traffic is ahead to your left, the one you're following. They're starting their left base turn to Piper.
Roger that, we'll continue. Traffic inside for 97 Golf.
Roger, follow them.
Roger, following traffic, 97 Golf.
There we go. You see him? Go straighten up, straighten up. Yep, straight up, so left.
Traffic is in
I'm saying 5 straight. 5 straight.
Clear to land.
Plane is crossing from our left to right around 1 o'clock now.
Runway 1, clear to land, jet 390.
See him?
Forward, so it's not going to work. Break
I think I do.
See him? Okay. Alright, so it's power back.
Break off, turning right down, forward 2.
Exit jet 390, that traffic is going around here, number 1.
Is that Cessna left traffic or right traffic?
Right.
Oh yeah, I do.
There we go. You see the airport as well?
Who are you talking about?
Yep, see the airport.
Good.
11 o'clock.
Do you see the runway?
I can see the runway.
Even better. Turn right.
Okay, Roger. Just escort
So it was
to the runway
2
space. They were
different
supposed
planes
to
in
follow
the
you.
same spot.
Yeah,
Apparently we was following the wrong plane.
Roger. Forward to extend down, I'll call you base.
Extend down to call the base, forward 2.
And 3 Golf Alpha, we're going to start the right turn.
You said northbound, so this side right here.
Yeah, we're supposed to go to the left. I'm not sure it was you. You didn't say your call sign. Yep, right turn up for you is approved.
3 Golf Alpha.
Which direction the traffic would you like?
754, you clear touch and go. Maintain your separation with the Phenom jet. Caution weight turbulence, make left traffic.
Left closed traffic, and we'll maintain separation with the jet, 754.
Clear touch and go, 754.
Well, then number 8, Icarus 10.
Traffic in sight, 7 Alpha Charlie.
7 Alpha Charlie, Roger.
Alright, flaps 20. Pull the speed back. Flap, not up. There we go.
97 Golf, runway 1, clear to land.
Clear to land, 907. Golf runway 1, sorry for the mix-up.
Icarus 14, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go,
Alright, flaps
runway
full.
1, Icarus 14.
That speed,
if you're not
70.
100% sure, you know, it doesn't hurt to ask.
Minimum 70.
Yeah, we need to make sure you guys see
There
the
we
right
go. A
person.
little bit more, a little bit more. A little bit more power. There we go. You see how we dropping power? There we go. Power in. There we go. Don't pull up. Power in. There we go. Power in. There we go.
412, runway 1, clear touch and go, left traffic.
Clear touch and go. Left traffic, 21. 412.
7 Alpha Charlie, you can reduce speed. You're getting other
There we
traffic ahead. They're indicating 70 knots over the ground.
You don't want to idle power too early.
7 Alpha Charlie, clear touch and go, left traffic.
It's going to be hard to speed up sometimes, alright?
Runway 1, left traffic, Alpha.
Go, nose down.
2 Charlie Bravo, extend that one, I'll call you base.
Extend even that one, 42 Charlie Bravo.
3
There we
Golf
go.
Alpha, bring your approved.
Good, you're doing good so far. There we go, keep that nose down. Start to slowly start the idle, slowly. There we go. There we go, hold that plane up, hold it up. Hold it. Yep, just hold it, hold it, hold it. There we go, good. Let's brake. Go.
7 Golf, stay parking.
Echo ramp.
Alright, Alpha, ground point 6.
Left turn Alpha, ground point 6, 907 Golf.
There we go, good land.
19
Right of 10 degrees, you're a little tight on the downwind.
Alright, Eli, how was your flight today?
It was very well. I enjoyed it. I would like to give another shout out to Clyde for letting us fly today.
Alright, and peace. Gotta say bye, man.
Bye bye.